In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a fiber-rich smoothie made with green juice. Let's do this. Hey guys, my name is Erin and today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite fiber-rich protein smoothie that is loaded with fiber. Let's talk about fiber for a second. Why is it so healthy? So fiber normalizes your bowel movements. It increases the weight and size of your stool along with softening it. Are you interested in what I'm talking about here? Bulky stools are easier to pass, which means you are less likely to be constipated. Fiber helps maintain bowel health, may lower your risk of developing hemorrhoids. It also lowers the risk of colorectal cancer. It also lowers the bad cholesterol and has other heart health benefits such as reducing blood pressure and inflammation. It also helps control your blood sugar levels. So if you have diabetes, it helps your blood sugar levels stay level. They're also less energy dense, which means they have fewer amount of calories and the same amount of food. The recommended fiber intake is 25 to 35 grams a day. Do you get that? It's hard to get that in today's world. And you don't want to start consuming too much fiber too quickly because then that's going to upset your tummy. So you want to gradually increase over a few weeks so your gut gets used to it. Smoothies are a fantastic on-the-go meal. So if you're too busy to eat, you can put it in a container, shake it up, and then drink. Today I am using green juice. So if you want to learn more about juicing, have a look at my green juicing video for my base recipe. So let's get this going in the blender. Okay, I'm starting with my green juice. This has been sitting in the fridge and I just want to give it a little, it doesn't really matter if it separates because you're going to be blending it anyway. So we're going to pour this in the blender. Next, I have got 1 cup of berries. I've got blueberries and strawberries. These are frozen organic berries. I love using frozen berries in my smoothies because it keeps them cold. I've got a little serving of chlorella, or you can use super greens. I have a 1/4 cup of ground flax and chia seeds. This has 8 grams of fiber. And then I have a 1/4 cup of my plant-based protein powder. Last but not least, I'm adding my greens. I have a combination, it's about 2 cups right here. I have arugula, kale, and spinach. Now we're gonna blend this up, and usually I blend this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now that my smoothie is done, I am going to pour it into my Wonder Woman glass because I feel like Wonder Woman whenever I drink it. Since I am gonna drink this smoothie right now because I'm getting pretty hungry, that's why I put it in my Wonder Woman glass. But if I am making this ahead of time to take it on the run, I put it in one of these with a twisty little cap on the top. This is good in the fridge for up to 3 days, so when you take it out and you wanna drink, just shake it up and you're good to go. And what I love about smoothies is that you can change things up. You can change the fruits, you can change the greens, you can change so many things about it. Smoothies are a great way to get all of your vitamins, nutrients, and fiber without wasting your time with chewing. Who has time for that? I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more to come.